Hey guys, Mike here, Screaming Eagle Bass Catcher. Today I'm on Lake Guntersville. I'm at the Langston Boat Ramp in Langston, Alabama. And today it's going to be a kind of a cool day. I'm going to try out my new DJI microphones that I actually got from Christmas for my son Michael. And so thanks again, Michael. We're going to try them out, and I have a feeling they're going to work well. I think today's going to be a real good day for it because, as you can hear, there's quite a bit of wind going on. It's supposed to get about 10-mile-an-hour winds and gusts up to 20. So we're going to hook up the microphones, and I'm going to go out and see if I can catch some fish. So stay tuned, and let's catch some fish. Well, while we're here at Langston, I want to show you my new setup here. Got a new pickup truck, nice Ford F-150, and kind of matches the boat a little bit better than my older truck, but I'm excited. It's a nice rig. All right, so after I got done showing you my new truck and rig and everything, I'm getting back onto the boat, and as you can see, it's kind of windy and a little choppy, and push the boat off. I'm getting ready to put my rope away, and as I walk back to the back of the boat, I pulled a Bill Dance moment there. I ended up stepping on my new cup that I haven't used on the boat yet. It's a little bit taller than my other cup apparently, and it caught my foot, and then down I went. So always try to be careful out there. You never know when an accident like that could happen. But I got past that, and now we're heading out over to the bridge that you have to go under to get out to the main lake. And as you'll see, there'll be some boats underneath the bridge. We like to do some crappie fishing there, and so there's usually a boat or two anchored up there. But we get under the bridge. I got to make sure my camera is low enough in the back because it's a low bridge. In fact, it's probably difficult for some of the pontoon boats or the taller boats to get out there. Got one. All right. All right. Nice little bass, it looks like. Oh yeah. Nice one. All right. Nice little bass. First one of the day. A little puny, but hey. There we go. All right. Got number 2. Yeah. Oh, nicer one. Yeah. Nicer one. Come here, guy. Alright guys, a little bit better. Alright, it's starting to get a little later in the afternoon and I put on a stick bait. I kind of went across the river to some small islands just to get out of the wind and the waves of the lake. So I'm tossing a stick bait out here and kind of giving it a little bit of a tug and let it sit and tug it, and then I got a real nice hit. Nice little bass, biggest one of the day for me. Not a trophy by any means, but just a nice little bass, and kind of finished up the day for me. And it was a real nice day, and I'm glad I caught some fish. And I'll try that spot again. And that was the first time I fished there. These look pretty good. All right. All right, guys. Looks like it's time to pack it up and call it a day. I caught 3 small bass today over here the South Salty area of Lake Guntersville, and really just wanted to come out and catch a few fish, try out my new microphone, see how that works out. We'll go back and check it out and see. Hopefully it came out well. But as always, I enjoyed fishing and enjoyed getting a video out to you guys, and I'd like to hear your feedback. Please subscribe and like the like button for me. I appreciate it. Well, I had another great day of fishing and getting ready to head on home. Just want to let you know that I do have a video out there for the Langston Boat ramp. I did a review on it, and it's a really nice ramp, really nice place to go fishing, and you should check it out. And I think you'll enjoy it. And until next time, keep on fishing.